In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to release your first song on all streaming platform in 5 minutes. So this video is going to be a step-by-step video where I'm going to be walking you through how to distribute your song on Spotify, Apple Music, Boomplay, and other streaming platforms. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the video. So if it is the first time of distributing your song on streaming platform, what you need to know is in order for you to be able to distribute your song, you need to actually make use of a music distributor. So if you do not know what a distributor is like an app or a software or a company that actually collects your music and actually distribute them on various streaming platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, Boomplay, Tidal, Audiomack, and other streaming platform out there. And we have various music distribution platform out there that you could actually use to distribute your song. We have Nation Data Distribution, we have DistroKid, we have CD Baby, we have Ditto, we have TuneCore, and other music distribution platform out there that you could actually use to distribute your music. So for the purpose of this video right here, I'm actually going to walk you through how to distribute your music using Nation Data Distribution, because it's actually the music distribution platform I actually use to distribute music for myself and also for my artists. The first thing you need to do is to click on the first link in the video description, or you could actually head over to Nation Data Distribution on Google or on your Safari. Then it's going to take you straight right here to this website. So once you actually click on the link in the video description, it's going to bring you straight to this website. So the first thing you need to do right here is you need to actually create an account for yourself. So once you actually click on where it says create an account, right, so they're going to ask you to put in your first name, your last name, your artist name. Then they're going to ask you to select the role. Basically, you could either select if you're an artist or label. So what you're going to do is just select artist. Then once you're done with that, all you need to do is just click on where it says sign up right now. Once you actually click on the sign up right here, all you need to do is to actually click on where it says login. So once you actually click on login right here, please note that a confirmation email is going to send to your email. So they're going to ask you to confirm your email. So right now, let's just first log in into our account. Then we're going to be confirming the email later. Yes, I already confirmed the email right here. So what we're going to be doing right here is we're going to click on where it says access dashboard. So once you already confirm your email right here, you can see right here that this is how your dashboard is going to look like. So basically what we're going to be doing right here is we're going to be clicking on where it says upload music right here. So once you actually click on that right here, it's going to take us to this page basically. So they're going to ask us to actually choose a plan. So basically Nation Data has different plan that you could actually go through. So you can see right here that their basic plan is starting for $12 a year. And basically these are all the features you're going to be getting right here. You're going to be getting 100% of your royalty, and also they're going to be distributing your music to over 250 plus stores. You're also going to be getting the ability to customize your release date and other features right here like YouTube content ID and a lot. Basically they also have their professional plan, so you could actually distribute up to 10 artists on their professional plan. And you can see right here that these are all the features you're going to be getting. So their professional plan is actually starting for $35 a year. They also have the label plan, which is also starting for $40 a year. And one thing I love about this label plan is that you could actually distribute for up to 100 artists on this account. So basically all you need to do right here is actually just pick any plan that you know that suits your need. So what I'm going to be doing right here is I'm going to be clicking on where it says choose plan right here. So I'm going to be subscribing to this $12 plan. So once I actually click on where it says choose plan right here, it's going to take you straight to this page. So they're going to ask you to actually put in your information right here. So you are going to be clicking on where it says subscribe now. So it's going to take us to this page right here. So we are going to be adding in our card information. So basically, let me quickly add in my card information, and I'm going to get back to you guys straight up. Guys, you guys can right here that I just made a purchase for the basic plan for Nation Data Distribution, and you guys can right here that this is the equivalent amount of money in my currency, which is about 20,400 naira per year, which is actually more affordable. So guys, if you know you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do all to actually subscribe, and also don't forget to like the video, because I'm actually taking my money to actually subscribe to this plan for you guys, so that I could actually show you guys how you could actually distribute your music. So all I need right now from you guys is to actually support me by actually hitting on that subscribe button and also giving the video a thumbs up. Actually, once you're done subscribing right here, this is how your dashboard is going to look like. So you can see right here that this is how the interface of Nation Data looks like. You can see right here that these are all the features right here. So once you actually click on this menu bar, you can see right here that these are all the features you're going to be getting. So you could actually just go through this place right here. So basically, if you know you want to withdraw your earnings, you could actually click on where it says withdraw, and you could actually just fill in your bank information and all of that. So if you know you actually need a full video about Nation Data Distribution and everything you need to know about the platform, I'm going to be leaving the link to the video in the video description, so you could actually go check the video out once you're done watching this video. So what we are going to be doing right here is we're going to be clicking on where it says upload your music right now. So once you actually click on where it says upload your music, it's going to take us straight right here to this interface. So basically they're going to ask us to actually choose our release type. So if you know you want to release a single, or you know you want to release an EP or an album, you could actually just choose that here. So right now I'm going to be choosing single right here, because we're going to be releasing a single with Nation Data Distribution. So what we are going to be doing right here is we're going to bring up this page right here. So what we are going to do is we are going to be putting in our song title right here. So basically we need to actually put in our song title. So let me quickly just do that right here. So let's just say our song title is love. So okay, I'm going to be putting love right here. So they're going to ask us to actually add in our primary artist. So we could just going to click on where it says add in primary artist. So once you actually click on where it says add in primary artist, it's going to load up this page right here. So right now I'm going to be adding in the primary artist. So the primary artist name is K. So we're going to be selecting the role of the primary artist, which is the primary artist right here. Then they're going to ask you for your Spotify username or your Spotify URL. So if you know you already have an existing account on Spotify or Apple Music, so the best thing you need to do is to actually paste in your Spotify username or your Spotify URL right here. But if you know that this is your first time of distributing your song on Nation Data Distribution, what you need to do right here is actually just put in your artist username. So I'm going to be putting in K right here. So once you're done putting in your artist username right here, what you're going to do right here is you're going to say create one for me. So you're going to be choosing where it says create one for me. So once I actually click on where it says create one for me, you're going to be creating your artist profile for you. So once you're done with that right here, all you need to do is just click on where it says add artist. So we're going to be clicking on where it says add artist right here, and you guys can see right here that we have successfully added the artist right here. So what we're going to be doing right here is we are going to be selecting in the language of the song. So I'm going to be putting in English. So basically you could actually select the language of your song. It could either be Hindi, Bangladesh, Italy and others. So you just select the language of the song. You could actually just search in the language, then just put it there. So basically they're going to ask for the release version right here. So you could actually put if this release is a cover or a radio edit version or whatever version, but for now I'm going to be leaving that because it's actually optional. So we are going to be adding in our contributor right here. So just click on where it says add key contributor. So it's going to load up this page right here. So basically what we're going to be doing right here is this is where we are going to be adding in the name of the contributor that actually contributed to our music. So you can see right here, you could actually add in the producer. So basically you could add in your producer right here. You could add in your guitarist, like whatever people that actually contributed to your music. You could actually just add in the artist name right here. So I'm going to be adding in my producer name, which is J Beat right here. So I'm going to be selecting the role right here. So I'm going to be selecting producer. So basically you could also add in your song writer name right here. So basically you could add in the songwriter name, the composer name, the sound engineer, mix engineer, DJ. So basically just add in the name of the contributor. So let me quickly just put in J Beats right here. So I'm going to be putting in J Beats right here also as the Spotify username and also as the Apple Music username. So basically once you're done adding that right here, so what you need to do is just click on where it says add artist. So once you actually click on where it says add artist, it's going to be added successfully. So they're going to ask you if this contributor has an existing profile. So you could either click on yes or click on no, or you could either click on create one for me. So I'm going to be clicking on create one for me because this producer does not have an artist profile on source. So we're also going to be adding in the artist, so we're also going to be adding in the producer name right here, which is JBeat right here. So once you're done with that right here, they're going to ask you to select your general. So they're going to ask you to select your primary general. So my primary general right here is actually Afrobeat. So you could either select your general right here. So we are going to be selecting in our sub general. So our sub genre is going to be Afro Pop right here. Afro Pop. Let me search for that. So it's right here. We have already added Afro Pop. So they're going to ask you to actually add in your record label name. So if you know you actually signed under record label or you actually own your own independent record label, you could actually add in the name right here. Or if you know you are not under any record label, all you need to do to actually just add in your artist name. So I'm going to be adding in my artist name. So I'm going to just put in K right here. So this place where it says copyright holder, you could either enter the name of your artist name or the name of your record label, or basically you could actually just leave it blank, but I'm going to advise you to actually add in your artist name. So I'm going to put in K right here. So once you're done with that right here, they're going to ask you for your lyrics basically. So let me quickly put in the lyrics right here. So let me add in the lyrics. So once you're done adding in the lyrics, they're going to ask you for your songwriter name. So basically you need to actually add in your songwriter name. So make sure you do not enter your artist name as a songwriter name. You need to make sure you actually enter your full name, your first and your last name. So I'm going to be clicking on that right here. So let me quickly enter that right here. So once you're done with that, they're going to ask you if this song is an instrumental. So just select no or yes. So I'm going to be selecting no. So they're going to also ask you if this song has been previously released before. So I'm going to select no. So they're going to ask you for your original release date. So basically what this option is for those of you that have actually distributed your music using other music distribution platform, and you want to transfer that catalog to your new music distribution platform, which is National Digital Distribution. So you need to actually select the date you actually distributed the music. Then also you need to actually select the time you actually distributed your music. But if you know this is a new release, all you need to do is just leave it blank. So basically you could actually put in your UPC and your ISLC code. So this is for those of you that already distributed your music with another music distribution platform and you want to switch your catalog to National Data Distribution. But if you know this is a new release, just leave it blank. So they're going to ask you if you want to do pre-order. So basically just click on yes or no. So I'm going to be clicking on yes because I would like to do a pre-order. I would like my fans to actually pre-order my music before the release date. So they're going to ask you to select your pricing right here. So basically what this means is they're going to ask you to select if you know you want to sell your music at an high price or you want to sell your music at a low price. So I would like to sell my music at an high price. I'm going to be clicking on where it says high. So once you're done, just click on where it says global release time. Then we're going to be selecting the release date. So I want to distribute this song on the 31st of this month. So okay, let me put that there. So I'm going to be clicking on the day right here. So I'm going to be distributing this music 12 a.m. In the midnight. So I'm going to selecting yes worldwide distribution. So basically you could actually select in your country right here. So basically right here they're going to ask you to actually select the country you want to distribute your music in. So I'm going to advise you actually put it on all countries right here. So just select all countries, and right here you could actually exclude some countries from listening to your music. So if you know you want to exclude some countries right here, you could actually do that right here. So right now I'm going to be selecting Nigeria. Let me search for Nigeria. So I want to exclude Nigeria. So once you're done with that, just click on where it says select stores. So basically this is where you could actually select stores. So I'm going to click on select all stores. Then I'm going to be clicking on 100% right here. So once you're done with that, all you need to do right here is just click on where it says next. So once you actually click on where it says next, it's going to take you straight to this page right here. So they're going to ask you to actually upload the audio file and also the artwork cover. So guys, if you know you have found the video helpful so far to this point, please do also actually give the video a like, and also don't forget to smash that subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell if you know you haven't done that, because my channel is all about working artists through various ways to grow and a lot of things you need to know as an upcoming artist. So if you know that is what you're interested in, please do also actually subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to like the video and also turn on the notification bell. So once you're done with that right here, what you need to do is to click on where it says proceed. So once you actually click on where it says proceed, it's going to take us through this place. So this is where we are going to be adding in our audio. So we are going to be uploading in our audio file. So you need to make sure that your audio is in WAV format. So if you don't know how to convert your audio to WAV format, so all you just need to do is just open your browser right here. Then you're going to be typing in convert from MP3 to WAV. So just type in convert MP3 to WAV. So once you actually click on convert MP3 to WAV, because right here that is a lot of website you could actually use to convert your MP3 file to WAV format. So what you need to do right here is just click on select the file. So once you actually click on select the file, then you could actually just convert the file to a WAV format. So what I'm going to be doing right here is I'm going to be clicking on where it says add file. So I'm going to be adding in my file right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to head over to this place. Then I'm going to be adding in my file. So it's going to take some time to load. Okay, so once you're done adding in your file, just click on where it says insert. So our file is going to be uploaded. So we're going to be adding in our cover art right here. So let me pick in one cover artwork. So okay, let me add in this cover artwork. So just click on insert right here. So once you're done adding in the cover artwork, what you're going to be doing right here is just click on where it says submit. So once you actually click on where it says submit, basically your music is going to be distributed successfully. So basically you're going to get an email from Nation Digital. So it's going to actually take 2 days for them to actually approve your music right here. What you do is you need to actually head over to your email. It's right here that we already got an email from Nation Digital Distribution. So once you actually click on it right here, this is where you could actually preview all the information about your release. So basically you could also edit your release if you know you actually made a mistake while actually uploading your release. So you can right here that is all the information that you just submitted. So guys, that's how you could release your music on all streaming platform, and I hope this video was helpful to you. If you know it does, please do well to give the video a like, and also don't forget to smash that subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell. So if you know you want to learn more about Nation Data Distribution, I'm going to advise you to actually click on the video popping right here on your screen to actually go check more videos about Nation Data Distribution. Or you know you want to learn more about music distribution on its own, the video is going to pop right here on your screen. Click on the video right here, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video.